Okay guys, so we're riding the 1974 MX100 today. Hopefully you guys can see. Hope I have the GoPro mounted decent. Oops, wrong glove. Anyway, so we're riding it. I rode it yesterday in the field, and we sadly can't ride in the field anymore because it's not our field, but the farmer lets us ride in it, and they might be planting wheat. So we won't be able to ride in it, and they also don't want their dogs chasing us because they got a new dog. So, but I got to ride this thing for like 10 minutes in the field. I was happy. And this thing runs like a champ. It's insane. The power band is insane on it. And it's just an insane bike. And this is going to be its first time riding in the woods. I haven't rode in the woods for like 3 weeks because it's been so muddy. But finally, I don't know if the ground's frozen or what. But let's see if this thing will start and ride. Oh, and it takes a little bit to start because this thing has like no compression. So just be warned. Okay, it's in neutral. Gas on. I think that's choke on. Yeah, choke's on, I'm pretty sure. Let's see what happens. First kick! There's choke off! A little better! It sure is loud! I don't think you guys can hear me or not, that was there. Oh my god. At least this thing ain't horribly heavy. It's about as heavy as TTR, I'd say. Oh, and if you guys didn't know, my last, I'm selling my TTR 125, so if you guys want a TTR 125, let me know. I'm gonna try to buy this thing off my dad once I sell a TTR. So, if you guys are interested in the 2000 TTR, let me know. I have videos of it on the channel too, so. Okay. I have choke on. I have to start singing choke because this thing has no compression. You might rebuild it, I don't know. It's winter. There we go, finally! switch, guys. That's how we have to kill those things. We have no kill switch there. Okay, holy crap. And I think we might have a leaking carburetor, maybe. We might have leaking gas somewhere. Shoot. Hope that gasket is bad. There's something leaking there somewhere. Crap, we do have a leaky carburetor. Shoot. I took it all apart too. Looks like I might be ordering a new needle and seat, maybe. Definitely new seat, I think. I think we need a new seat. Okay, and we might rebuild this thing. Guys, comment down below if you guys make this far in the video. Thanks a lot for making it this far in the video. Please let us know if we should rebuild this thing or not. And tell me if this thing is stock. I don't know if a 74 Yamaha 100 is that fast stock. I really don't believe it, but whatever. Because you guys saw I was popping wheelies in 3rd gear, just going full throttle in 4th gear. It was insane. Scary bike. If you guys want a scary bike, ride this thing. I've never, the next fastest bike I've ever rode is my TTR. Never my dad's 125s, his RM 125. That was just up and down the road a little bit. And I'm too big for that bike. Or I'm too small for that bike. That bike's way too big for me, so. Yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned for more videos on this wonderful classic bike. And oh, don't forget I have KZ400 parts for sale, motorcycle parts for sale already. I sold the carburetors, it's the only part sold so far. Oh, it's a bird. Hi, bird. Just bird. Oh, bird ran away. But anyways, yeah. I might put a new seat cover on this thing too, I'll see, once I buy off my dad. But, we put a new air filter in it. Uni air filter. So yeah, if you guys want to stay updated on more progress on this, we got the VR4, Mitsubishi 3000 GT VR4. We got the Opel GT. We got many other projects for the channel. So, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'm going to turn this video off. Also, P.S. I kind of forgot this. We hit 200 subscribers. Great job, guys. My dad and I thank you for getting to where we are. And yeah, hopefully we'll hit 250 subscribers, and then 300 and 350 and all that fun stuff. And then yeah, so